Welcome to the indoor pool. Guys, we created this place so that kids and parents and would just have a blast. Little kids can learn how to swim, bigger kids can just have fun together, and even some adults can get in some laps. We've got all sorts of fun stuff. There's some toys in this bin. We got adult weights, we got floaties, we got some balls, we got some noodles. Guys, when you're done with them, please just put it all back in the bin here. Super simple. There's some goggles down there, but just put everything back in the bin. The thermostat is locked. It's not meant to be touched. There's a really important element of making sure the pool temperature is at 1 degrees and then the room's at another. It might feel warm in here, but it's to keep the whole room from sweating. If the pool's too hot and the air's too cold, then this place is gonna sweat even more. And so we were advised to make sure this is set up a certain way. But in the summer, if it's getting too hot, feel free to open those sliding doors, and feel free to open up the windows in the back. And I would keep these windows closed. I'd keep the side ones closed, but if you open the doors in the back and the windows in the front, you'll create a really nice draft, a real nice breeze. But please, 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 at night, make sure you shut these doors, make sure you shut the windows, make sure everything's shut. Otherwise, it's gonna be really bad news for this pool room. So guys, a couple little sitting areas. Watch your kids while they're swimming. We don't want any kids unattended in here. Don't bring any glasses in here. We'd hate for a glass to break and then go into the pool, and now no one can use the pool because we don't want them cutting themselves. So guys, no glassware. Bring your plastic cups in here. There's clearly no lifeguard on duty. Try not to bring any kind of food in here. We hate for hamburger to fall in the pool, but guys, it's meant to have fun. So just biggest thing, keep the doors and the windows closed at night. If you're gonna open them, to bring a draft in, no problem, but just please make sure they're closed at night. That keeps this room just solid and the humidity not too high. So other than that, have fun, and there you go.